A lot of people come into trading with good intentions, but they end up failing. And they fail a lot because they're trying to chase a lot of things at one time. They're trying to look at indicators and different strategies, random setups, and a lot of things put together that actually don't make sense. So if you're new, the good news is you don't need to make this thing complex. Trading actually is very simple. It is not easy, but it's very simple, man. And you just need one simple setup that you can easily spot, that you can understand easily, and you can actually trade with confidence. So today we're gonna go on the charts. I'm gonna break this stuff down. I'm gonna show it to you, right? And show you how easy and simple this thing is so you can start making money in the markets. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've been before, of course, man, welcome back. My name is James Strong. I make videos about investing in the financial markets, specifically trading the futures market and investing in the stock market for our long-term assets. See, we don't trade or invest, we trade and invest, because both of those combined is how we fast track our way to financial freedom. And it's a potent combination for wealth building, man. So before I get on the charts, man, I just want to say like a few of the big problems, and then we can go ahead and jump on, right? Some of the biggest problems a lot of beginners have, man, and I want y'all really like to take note of this stuff so you can make sure you set yourself up for the best chances to be successful. Whatever that is for you, right? Whatever success is for you, set yourself up, man. Whether you want $100 a month extra, 500, whether you want 500,000 a year, that's up to you, right? It doesn't matter. But all these principles are built upon the same things. Most traders just try to make sure you don't have these problems, right? A lot of traders, some of the problems they're going to have is, one, they're going to try to chase a lot of signals, and then they're going to start guessing instead of having a real setup. So that's a big problem people have. They don't really have a real setup. They're just kind of going with emotions and how they feel today. You know what I mean? Shit, it's Tuesday. You know, I feel like trading support and resistance. It's Friday. Let me do some channels, man. Let me trade some channels, and let me throw on an RSI. Oh, let me throw this on. Let me throw on some TMA bands. You just kind of like putting stuff together. One day it's supply and demand, one day it's support and resistance, one day it's breaking retest. You know, one day you trading breakouts. I mean, it's always something different, right? So don't get caught up in that stuff. That's one way to definitely set yourself up ahead of the curve, right? Another thing people do is they want to overcomplicate the charts with too many indicators, too many things, and they're trying to always ask people what their settings are or what they can do. There's nothing wrong with that, right? But indicators aren't gonna make you profitable. It's just a tool, right? So again, I teach my students and stuff. They're just tools. You can find the right tool for yourself for sure, no problem. But it's just a tool, man. A hammer is a hammer. It don't mean you can build a damn house because you got a hammer in your hand. You know what I'm saying? You might be clumsy and drop it on your daggone toe. So it's just a hammer. It's just a tool until you do something with it, right? They think more is better instead of simple. And that is God, man. I remember when I first started, like I learned from a scalper, right? The foundations. Now I end up having to teach myself how to trade, but I learned the foundations from a scalper, and it did not fit, right? And I was taking a lot of trades in a day. And some days it was cool, and other days it wasn't. And most people don't want to tell you about it wasn't. You know, I tell it like it is. I mean, like again, I still win and lose to this day, but I win more than I lose. That's how I'm profitable now. But don't always think trading more is better. I found the best success when I stopped trading as much and start looking for higher quality trades. That's another thing people do. And then just remember, if you can't spot your setup in truthfully like 10 seconds, really 5 seconds, but it depends obviously time frame you're using, how many confirmations you're using. But if you can't spot your trade very, very quickly, you might need to make some adjustments, right? Because it's too much going on for your brain to process. We only have but so much decision making power, and this is going to a mental thing. Other stuff I studied to get where I'm at with trading. You don't have but so much decision making power in your brain. So you don't want to have to spend time even having to study a setup if that's what you actually trade every day. It needs to be like mechanical, which is something else I teach, right? So you know, if you want to learn how to actually trade simply, day in and day out, step by step futures, make sure you join my next Futures to Freedom Challenge. The link is down below in my description. And then we'll be going through this stuff, man. So, you know, again, that's always there for you guys as a ref. If you're serious about getting right with your futures trading. Now, let me go ahead and get on the chart. All right, so there's a few things we want to look for, right? So when we're looking for a setup, we're going to find an easy, simple one. I'm going to teach you guys today, and then we'll go over this, right? When you're looking for a setup, first thing we want to do is identify clean structure Wait for a clean break. Matter of fact, let's do break and retest today. So first we want to identify clean structure. Then we want to have a clean break. So the principles are essentially the same with this one, right? What I was saying. Identify a clean break. Look for it to retest that zone or that area, right? Or that structure point. And then trade in a direction. And you can also look for them. So I'm going to break this down for you. Let's use that 1 hour. We'll keep 1 hour. So when you're looking for stuff, you want to find a very prominent point, right? It is orange so we can see it. You want to find a very prominent point, right? So price is going up. And one thing you want to make sure you realize too, especially for my beginners, that this is like how it perfectly looks. Price in real time is never perfect. So you can see we're going up. Price right here came below, grabbed liquidity, but then continued up. And this is also why you want to make sure you have higher time frame analysis, higher time frame synchronization, and all these good things combined to look at your trades, so you can know the overall direction and what has the highest probability of actually making money, right? But essentially, this is doing what right here. This is this clean version of what price is really doing. So when price changes direction strongly, boom, you can see we broke all the higher lows right here. Multiple higher lows. And whether you know nothing about trading or not, even if you draw trend lines, I'm not a trend line guy, but you can see the trend has changed. When this happens, let me actually draw lines so it's neater. You can see clear as day. And I'm just drawing these so y'all can visibly see it, right? You can see clear as day. We changed. Now, when this happens, what you want to begin to look for is price to come back and retest this area. So if we come down, we're on the 1 hour. When you see this, and you see price is not going back up further, right? This usually, right? What this is support. This was once support. This was the floor. Turn to resistance. When there's resistance, the market's looking to sell. So now you can go down to lower time frames. Look for certain entries. You can enter off structure points. And this is just general, right? This is like a very general entry. And you can get whatever you want to get. Already, this is a 1 to 1.7. If your stop loss is a little bit tighter, just above the highs, then you're already at basically a 2, right? You can round it up to a 2. And as you know, too, we're on a 1 hour setup. So this really could go lower, right? But if you want to be safe, just use structural points. But things like this, man, they happen literally all the time. Let's see if we can see another one. This is actually one right here, I believe, forming literally right here. Yeah, so right in front of our face. Another one formed. They're not going to always be perfect. And there's multiple, right? So, how's the 4 hour look? So this is a cleaner 4 hour structure. I figured by the way the price looked. So boom. This is a clean 4. Matter of fact, let me undo it so I can show y'all what I was referencing. So I had that marked up on the 1 hour. That's what I mean when I say not perfect, right? So let's go back to the 1 hour. 1 hour. This is still a break and retest. Just because price closed above doesn't mean anything. You can see these strong rejections, right? And when your eyes begin to get trained, you can see that. Now, this is why I said too, higher time frame, multiple time frame, synchronization, all these good things, everything that I teach. When price broke on the 4-hour, it was a very clean break and retest. It's not always visually going to be the same. Remember, nothing is perfect in the market. Nothing is perfect. But the same way we saw in the 1-hour, this break and retest right here, there was another one. So literally that's trades. I mean, both days. It's the exact same thing. When this one came, let's go back to the 15. Let's just look at structure. You literally could have, as soon as it broke, let's say you target a change of character or something. Let's just put it here for the sake of the video, right? I don't make this too long. And same thing, you're putting price, above the highs, giving it some breathing room. And you're targeting low points, or since we're in the 1-hour, you're targeting even lower. This is when you can take trades. You can get a nice 2-to-1, leave a runner, and that thing is going to cook. This happens all the time. This is literally 2 days back to back. 1, 2, money both days. Some days are going to eat like this. And these are the days that actually make your months and things very powerful and your weeks very powerful. It's the ones like these that run that's going to, eat up all the little losses you take. And it's as simple as this. There's nothing complicated about this setup or about this way to trade, right? It's just super simple. For some people, it's too simple. But again, because they want to overcomplicate it. I know y'all want to make money. That's why you're still here. So when you find these, I mean, again, they're everywhere, right? I'm not going to keep finding them. This happens all the time in multiple markets. Look for this. Look for a break and retest. Look for the retest. Look for the confirmation you need. Look for a good entry signal. Get in and make your money, man. And do not overcomplicate it. Don't don't overcomplicate it. Simple as that, man. It's very easy to spot. It's going to force you to be patient when you spot this stuff too. And once you can just focus on something simple like this, what it'll do is it'll stop having you chase random trades, right? Random candles because they're moving, but you don't have a system in place to actually trade that, right? Good trades are planned, not forced. Remember that. So, I mean, this is how you catch them early, man. And again, dude, if y'all want to learn how to spot this stuff in real time, actually trade without second guessing yourself, and learn the futures market properly, then I want to really invite you guys to my next Futures to Freedom Challenge and get a ticket for that, to join that with us, man, and learn how to do this stuff properly, man, and learn a skill that could change your life forever and just get your foundation going the right way. You know what I mean? So, again, I encourage you guys to join that if you're interested. All the information is always down below. But yeah, man, focus on this simple stuff, man. This right here is very simple. Please do not overcomplicate trading. I have students and past students as well, right? Past students because they overcomplicate it, but also those same past students have also reached back out to me and like, man, I'm looking forward to get back in the group, ABC, XYZ, because my teaching style and my simplicity. Trading is not complex. Please, 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 man, don't overcomplicate it. Too many people want to sound smart instead of just making money. I don't care about sounding smart, right? I really want to make money. Like, it feels good to be able to be debt free, to be able to travel the country, travel the world, right? Not even just the country. Like, I got a flight booked in like another month or 2 months or so now, maybe 2. I don't know. Just got back in the country, and I'm planning on going back out the country. And it's like, again, it's not a flex. That's just like, dude, learn the skill. And you don't need to be a millionaire for this stuff to happen, right? Again, my goals, I'm not there yet. I'm not a guy. I've made it, but I'm like, this stuff is possible. You know what I mean? We don't have to be, these billionaire backed guys with hedge funds backing us in multi-million dollars, man. We can make money too. You know what I mean? Like, one of the things I always say is like, yo, in this game, there's so much money. All you need to do, you don't need to seat at the table. You just need to eat crumbs. I'm out here collecting crumbs like a mouse on the ground. You feel me? Because this is a $1 trillion industry. So the crumbs in this industry, in this sector we're in, is millions and hundreds of millions of dollars. That's the crumbs, right? So we can always come through, find something simple, and make us some money, man. Right? Like $10,000 in a month ain't $10,000 a month is not like, oh, I'm free forever money. but that will change your life. You know what I mean? Like it will change your life, man. I mean, even if you just making money for like vacation or whatever you want to, you know what I mean? Like the trip I took overseas, man, I paid for all that with 4 trades. You know what I'm saying? And something. Like that's a power of that stuff. So it ain't gotta come from your job money, it ain't come from none of that stuff. It's like free money, man, because you take time to invest in yourself and learn a skill, man. So again, man, I invite you guys to attend my next Future to Freedom Challenge. If you like making money, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys are working on. Let me know like other things you guys may want to know, especially my beginners, man. Questions you may have. I'll be honest, I've been doing this for a while now, so sometimes my students keep me, you feel me, like they keep me remembering what it's like to be real early on. Because sometimes once you start doing something long enough, playing basketball, you know, martial arts, trading, anything, it's become second nature. So let me know in the comments too, man, something, you know, video ideas you guys may want to see, or things you may want to learn, or, you know, stuff you find helpful, you know, things like that, man. And again, most of that stuff is in the challenge. So again, join the challenge, bro. But yeah, let me know, man. Talk to me. And if you like making money, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you don't, then don't subscribe. It's that simple. Until next time, much love.